NBA DBB number 133. That's 2015-16 hoops. Good luck. Team random. Snake Eyes is reroll. We are going 11 times. Good luck. Here are all teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? You can't see what? Oh yeah, we'll change that. We'll change that. Give me a minute. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and last and final time, good luck. 11. We have the Clippers on top and the Nuggets at the bottom. Quick check. Now you can see, right? Should be visible now. Let me quick check. Yeah. Everybody can see now. All right, here are your teams. Good luck. I'll see why. No, this is strange. Give me a second, guys. Let me edit that up. Not sure what's going on with that. All right, that's better. Quick check that up, and then we're good to go. All right, that looks good. There you go. All right, hoops, guys. Hoops. Basketball. 1 box. Hoops. Got some nice other boxes on the Facebook page. So got 3 cases to fill for today, guys. I hope you can somehow manage that up. Here we go. First up, hoops. Hoops time. All right, all based on the hoops so far. We got James Ennis autograph for the Heat. James Ennis autograph Miami Heat. James Ennis for the Heat. And that is DeVore. DeVore with the first hit of the break, not numbered. Kevin Looney, rookie for the Warriors. We got Anthony Brown, rookie for the Lakers. What, Trey Lyles, that autographed? Wow, there is already the second autograph for the Utah Jazz, Trey Lyles. And the Jazz is DeVore again. Rookie is for the Nuggets, Emmanuel Mudiay. Oops, one sec. Numbered? No. Picture perfect. John Wall for the Wizards. Picture perfect insert. Kelly Oubre Jr. Wizards rookie. Got gold for the Bucks. Michael Carter Williams, not numbered. Rookie is Gerald Martin. Sorry, guys. We have insert high flyers Shaq for the Magic. Rookie is Miles Turner. No, Rakeem Christmas for the Bucks. Pacers, sorry. We got Chase Bottinger to 299 for the Pacers. Chase Bottinger, 299. Artist proof. We got team leaders Lillard for the Blazers. Chris McCullough, rookie Nets. We got green. Alfred Aminu, Blazers. We got nice. Mr. LeBron James for the Cavaliers, number to 999. LeBron for the Cavs. Who has the Cavs in this? Jack Giamaro. Congrats. Bobby Portis, rookie, Bolts. We got gold, Raymond Felton, Mavericks. Tyus Jones, Wolves, rookie. You got LaMarcus Aldridge, gold, Spurs. You got D'Angelo Russell, Lakers, rookie. You got gold, Pat Connaughton, rookie, Blazers. You got Mario Hezonja, Magic, rookie. We got another LeBron. Wow, second LeBron, 2015, sorry, number to 2015. LeBron James, road to the finals. And that is again going to Jack Giamaro. Nice hit. He sell really good from LeBron. Rookie Blazers. Wow, again, LeBron James. Bird's eye view. Wow, it's the LeBron James box. Bird's eye view, also for the Cavs. We got the Kari Johnson Thunder rookie. We got Kenneth Reed Nuggets team leaders. Porzingis, Knicks rookie. We got Chris Paul triple double Clippers. We got Miles Turner rookie for the Pacers. All right, last stack. We got road to the finals to 999. Blake Griffin at the Clippers. DeLon Wright, Raptors rookie. We got rookie artist proof Frank Kaminsky. Artist proof, nice for the Charlotte Hornets. Charlotte Hornets, artist proof Frank Kaminsky, Frank Tang, and again Frank Kaminsky, the regular rookie. We got courtside Derrick Rose for the Bulls. Got rookie Rashad Vaughn, Bucks. Rookie Karl Anthony Towns, Wolves. Got Wilson Chandler to 299 for the Nuggets. Rookie is Montrezl Harrell. Got Road to the Finals, Wizards, John Wall, number 2 to 2015. And we got Pistons rookie, Darren Hillard. That's it for the break. Thanks again for joining, guys. Hope to see you next time. Peace.